Hello children, welcome you all to the maths class. Today we are starting lesson 3 multiplication, division, average and unitary method. First we can discuss multiplication. What is meant by multiplication? The basic idea of multiplication is repeated addition. For example, if we want to add 5 3 times, that means 5 plus 5 plus 5. What we will get? We will get 15. The same answer we will get when we multiply 5 with 3. See here, table of 3 is given. Read the table. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So, here 5 and 3 are factors and 15 is the product. All of you understood? Okay children, now we are discussing multiplication by a one-digit number without regrouping. The question given here is 3421 into 2. That means we want to multiply 3421 by 2. Which table we should know? We should know table of 2. Then only we can multiply this number. So we can do multiplication. From which position we want to start multiplication? Yes, from unit place. The unit place number is 1, that we want to multiply by 2 first. So 1 2s are 2. So that we can write there. Then next tens place digit, that is 2. 2 we want to multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. Next we want to multiply by hundreds place digit 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Next by thousands place digit 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So what is the answer we are getting? 6842. That is the product we are getting when we multiply 3421 by 2. The answer we are getting is 6842. Next we are multiplying a one-digit number with regrouping. The question given is 4123 into 4. So we should know table of 4. Dear children, you all should by heart multiplication tables. Then only you can do multiplication correctly and fastly. So we can start from the unit place. The unit place digit is 3. 3 we want to multiply by 4 first. 3 4s are 12. In 12, the unit digit number 2 only we are writing. The tens digit we will write on top of tens digit here. So next we want to multiply by the tens digit number. 2 4s are 8 and we want to add the carry number 1. So 8 plus 1, 9 we will get. Next we want to multiply by hundreds place digit 1 by 4. So 1 4s are 4. Last we are multiplying by the thousands place digit by 4. 4 4s are 16. So what is the product we are getting? 16,492. So when we multiply 4123 by 4, we will get 16,492. All of you understood? Dear children, now we are discussing multiplication by a two-digit number without regrouping. To multiply by a two-digit number, we need to multiply by two steps. First, we want to multiply the ones digit number. What is the ones digit number here? 1. 1 we want to multiply by 45. So, 45 into 1 is 45 itself. Any number multiplied by 1, we will get the same number. Step 2, we want to multiply by tens place digit. What is the tens place digit here? 2. That means we are multiplying by 20. 2 tens are 20. So, we want to multiply 45 by 20. When we are multiplying by 20, we can put a 0 at the rightmost place first. Then we can multiply 45 by 2. 45 into 2 is 90. So, the answer we are getting is 900. When we multiply 45 into 20, we will get 900. Step 3, we want to add 45 and 900 together. So, we will get 945. That is the product. When we multiply 45 into 21, the answer we are getting is 945. Next, we are discussing multiplication by a two-digit number with regrouping. The question given is 32 into 45. we want to multiply 32 by 45. That we want to do in 2 steps. First, we want to multiply 32 by the unit digit number 5. Then we want to multiply 32 by the tens place digit 4. Then we want to add the answers. So when we multiply 32 by 5, what we will get? 2 5s are 10. In 10, 0 only we will write. Then carry 1 we will write on the top of tens place digit. Then we want to multiply by the tens place digit. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus the carry number 1 will give 16. So when you multiply 32 by 5, what will get? 116. Next we want to multiply 32 by the tens place digit 4. That we want to multiply 32 by 40. So 32, when you multiply 32 by 40, first we can write the 0 at the rightmost place. Then we can multiply 32 by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So what is the answer we are getting? 1280. When you multiply 32 by 5, you will get 160, and when you multiply 32 by 40, you will get 1280. Next, we want to add the two products. So when you add 160 plus 1280, what you are getting? Add from the right position. Unit place digits are 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, add the tens place digits. 6 plus 8 is 14. We will write 4 only here, and carry 1 we will write on top of hundreds place digit. Then add the hundreds place digits. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus carry 1 is 4. So 4. Then in thousands place 1 will come. So what is the product we are getting when we multiply 32 by 45? We will get 1440. All of you understood? Okay children, next we are multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. The question given is 412 into 34. First we want to multiply 412 by 4. Next we want to multiply 412 by 30. Why 30? Because 3 in tens place. The tens place digit 3 means 3 tens, that is 30. Then we want to add the two products. So first we can multiply by 4. 412 into 4. Which table we need? We need 4's table. All of you should by heart the multiplication tables. Okay. So when you multiply the ones digit 2 by 4, what you will get? 2 4s are 8. Next, we want to multiply by the tens place digit 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Next, by hundreds place digit 4. 4 4s are 16. So what is the product we are getting? 1648. Next step, we want to multiply 412 by 30. To multiply by 30, we can add 0 at the rightmost place first. Then we can multiply by 3. So when you multiply by the ones place digit, 2 3s are 6. Then tens place digit 1, 1 3s are 3. Next by hundreds place digit 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the product we are getting? 12,360. Then in step 3, what we want to do? We want to add the two products. That means 1648 plus 12,360. When you add that, from ones place digit we can add 8 plus 0, 8. Next tens place digit 4 plus 6, 10 we are getting. 0 we will write down, then 1 we will write on top of hundreds place. Then next we want to add the hundreds place digits. 6 plus 3, 9 plus carry 1, 10. In 10 we write 0 only there. Next 1 we will write on top of thousands place digit and add with the thousands place digits. When you are adding thousands place digits, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus the carry 1, 4. Then last 10,000 place 1 we will write. So what is the sum we are getting? 14,008. All of you understood? Next we can discuss some word problems. What is the question given here? A factory making nails packs 244 nails in a box. 65 such boxes made in a day. How many nails are produced every day? So what is given here? A factory making nails packs 244 nails in a box. So in one box there are 244 nails are there. And every day that company produces 65 such boxes of nails. Okay, in one box 244 nails are there. Like that 65 boxes are produced by the company every day. So what we want to find? How many nails are produced in a day? Every day how many nails are produced, that we want to find. So we want to write the steps. What all given here that we can write first? Number of nails in a box is 244. All of you write all this in your practice book. Next step, what we want to write? Number of boxes made in a day, that is equal to 65. That all things are given. Next we want to find number of nails produced in a day. For that we want to multiply 244 by 65. Okay, a 3-digit number we are multiplying by a 2-digit number here. For that what we want to do? We want to multiply by the unit place digit 5. We want to multiply 244 by 5 first. Next we want to multiply 244 by 60. Okay. Then in third step we want to add the two products. Okay. We can multiply by 5 first. 5 4s are 20, carry 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22, carry 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, in first step we will get, when you multiply by 5 you are getting 1220. All of you do this in your practice book. Next step, we want to multiply 244 by 60. For that, at the rightmost place we can put a 0 now. Next we can multiply 244 by 6. 6 4s are 24. We write 4 only there, carry 2 we write on top of the next number. Next 6 4s are 24 plus that carry number 2, 26. We write 6 and again carry 2 we will write on top of hundreds place digit. Next we want to multiply 2 by 6. 2 6 are 12 plus that carry 2 gives 14. So what is the product we are getting when you multiply 244 by 60? You are getting 14,640. So we want to add the two products, 1220 plus 14,640. When you are adding, what you are getting? We want to add from the unit place. 0 plus 0 gives 0. 4 plus 2 gives 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 4, 5. And the 10,000 place digit 1 we will write there. So what is the answer we are getting? 15,816. So how many nails are produced per day? 15,860. All of you understood? Now all of you read question 7. 1 kg of cashews cost rupees 850. Find the cost of 6 kg of cashews. 1 kg of cashews cost 850 and we want to find the cost of 6 kg of cashews. So we can write what all given here. Cost of 1 kg of cashews equal to rupees 850. Cost of 6 kg of cashews equal to, how to find? We want to multiply the cost of 1 kg of cashews by 6. So 850 into 6 gives the cost of 6 kg of cashews. We want to multiply 850 by 6. So we can multiply. You should know the table of 6 to multiply 850 by 6. Okay, 0, 6 are what? 0 into any number gives 0 itself. So 0 into 6 gives 0. Next 5, 6. What is 5, 6? 5, 6 are 30. In 30, 0 only we will write there and 3 we will write on top of hundreds place digit. Next we want to multiply by the hundreds place digit. 8, 6 are 48. 48 plus the carry 3 gives 51. So what is the product we are getting? 5100. So the cost of 6 kg of cashews is rupees 5100. All of you understood? Okay children, all of you read question number 8. A sack holds 562 onions. How many onions can fit in 14 such sacks? What all given here? Number of onions in one sack, that equal to 562. Number of sacks equal to 14. And what we want to find? We want to find number of onions in 14 sacks. For that, we want to multiply 562 by 14. So we can multiply 562 by 14. For that, we want to multiply 562 by 4 first. So when you are multiplying by 4, we can multiply unit digit number first. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24. We write 4 only there. Carry 2 we write on top of next digit. Then we want to multiply 5 4s 20. 20 plus the carry 2 22. So when you multiply 562 by 4 we get 2248. Next we want to multiply 562 by 10. We want to write 0 at the rightmost place first. Then we can multiply by 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 6 are 6. 1 5s are 5. Next we want to add the two products. 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 6 8. 2 plus 5 7. So when you multiply 562 by 14, we will get 7868. It means 14 sacks can hold 7868 onions. All of you understood? Okay children, I am winding up this session here. I hope all of you understood what all we have discussed today. Thank you. See you in next class.